Hey, I'm doing a little walkthrough for a new friend of mine, so I figured I'd do it here. So this is a water ionizer. It cleans tap water. It's hooked up right now to this tap and has a filter in here. So it cleans the tap water. And then back here, there's an electrolysis chamber. So that is, in this one, there's 7 plates. So positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, right? Now, when the water gets zapped with electricity, it'll split. That's why we have two streams. The water splits. The positive parts of water, because water isn't just water, right? It's all sorts of stuff like nitrates, sulfates, fluoride, chlorine. And then on the good side, so that's all the stuff that comes out of the bad side, the cleaning water. So we don't just throw it out. We use it for hair, face, plants, and as a glass cleaner, actually. And then what comes out at the top is all the good water. So that is ionized magnesium, calcium, potassium, and a incredible amount of H2. So that's molecular hydrogen, which is an emerging medical gas. It's the reason that this water is anti-aging and antioxidant is because of the hydrogen. Now, these are the 3 cleaners that the machine produces. So 6pH is for, like I said, hair, skin, plants, and a glass cleaner. 2.5 is a very strong smelling water. It's listed as a sanitizer or sanitary water. I use this for cleaning everything from food to my bathroom, and I even use it as a first aid water. So that's the 2.5. And then the 11.5 is a degreaser. So that's the one that takes off pesticides from fresh fruit and produce. It's a degreaser, so it melts oil-based pesticides, fungicides, and herbicides off of food. It's also a great laundry detergent and anything greasy. Like if you get grease on your shirt or something, you use 11.5 to break it up. I'm going to light some water on fire. Hold on. So it's just a push of a button to change the different pHs. And I'm going to make strong acidic. Strong acidic, the 2.5 will come out of the bottom hose and the 11.5 will come out of up here. Now I'm going to light it on fire. 1 sec. So there's so much hydrogen in this water that you'll actually see flames of the hydrogen, because we all know that hydrogen, let me slow that down. Hydrogen is a flammable gas. And that's anti-aging. And this is known as ERW, electro-reduced water.